Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect to nLight devices using the NCOMKIT, which I have here, and opening sensor view to view those devices for programming. First step is to find the commissioning tool application on your computer. You can do so by going to your search bar here on Windows or on Mac and typing in C-O-M-M. That's going to prompt the communication app. We will select it here. This is going to bring up a option to run the application or not to. Next thing we're going to do is open our NCOMKIT. And we will plug this into our USB port on the side. It should be red upon initial connection. Undo this. And we are ready to begin. So I'm going to entangle my cord here. This is the RJ45 end that you will be plugging into your nLight devices. Here we have a power pack, a switch, a plug load, another switch, and an occupancy sensor. We will start at the end or beginning or the end of the line, and we will plug directly into that device as so. You will see that the NCOMKIT flashes a green LED indicating connectivity. We'll then come back to our screen here and we will hit yes. This is going to bring up this. We're just going to hit start. And you will see here, it will start discovering the devices. If all devices are connected properly on this sample kit here, we should read each one of these devices here. Once it is done discovering, we're going to launch sensor view. So we're going to hit the launch. This is going to bring up Internet Explorer and your sensor view application. Log in. We're going to go to devices up here. And as you can see, there's our commissioning tool on the left. We can expand that. And those are our devices on the left that we connected to using the NCOMKIT. These devices need to be daisy chained, starting with item device number 1, Cat 5 to here, to here, to here, to here, to here. Once this is done, you can discover all your devices and begin programming.